The next speaker is Sayyid Furqan Mia. Please come and let us know what you want to say. Sayyid Furqan Mia.
Respected Chief Guest, Mr. Shankalal Pandey, the District Magistrate of Rampur, Dr. Siddiqui sir, Professor N. K. Berry, Principal of GRPG College Rampur, our learned teacher Mr. Imran Jalil, and all my friends and batchmates, a very good evening and also a very happy new year. Today we are here the historical place Rang Mahal to celebrate the annual function of our institute, and I am happy that I am before you to express my views on the importance of English language. It's a matter of great honor and pleasure for me to have the rare opportunity of addressing this gathering of educated and enlightened elite of the town. It's only with the guidance and encouragement that I have been receiving from my teacher, Mr. Imran Jalil, that I have been able to shed some of my fear of speaking in public. He is the moving spirit and a guide and a friend in the true sense of the term. This is my maiden venture to speak before an audience, and that too in a language which has been quite a nightmare to me till recently. Although I hold a master's degree in English, yet I have never been able to speak in English with the confidence and fluency that is expected of an educated person. We don't wear our qualifications on our lapels. It's the spoken word which gives away our qualifications. We quite often communicate through the spoken word. We may agree or disagree, but it's a historical fact that English language is an important tool of communication, be it in education, in commerce, in business, in industry, or in politics, and so on. The way things are going, we see that when we apply for a job, we are asked to appear for an interview. And quite often, this interview is carried out in English. If you are unable to speak in English with the confidence and fluency, chances are that you won't be selected. There are several kinds of jobs these days which require interaction with the clients and other persons in spoken English. So the need to acquire fluency in spoken English cannot be overlooked. Speaking English with confidence gives an added dimension to our personality, which may prove crucial in getting a decent job in this fast expanding economy. And in the end, I will say that I'm really thankful to my teacher, Mr. Imran Jalil, who gives a lot of guidance and encouragement to his students. So that's all I have to say, and thanks for listening to me.
A slight change